This is Jonathan with Gutter Guards Direct. Today we're at a home in Alexandria, Kentucky, outside of Cincinnati, where we are installing new 6-inch gutters and the Master Shield gutter protection system. So what's interesting about this house, it's kind of tucked back in the woods, is that it has a self-contained water system, actually for the drinking water. In a lot of cases you see homes that have containment systems for gray water for toiletry and dishwater and stuff like that, but in this particular case apparently it's actually for drinking water. So the homeowner recently purchased this house. He's not that familiar with the system, but he knew that he needed to get a gutter guard on top of this house that would prevent any of that sediment, or most of the sediment, from getting inside his system, which could potentially damage the really expensive pumps that make those things work. So we are installing the Master Shield system, the micro mesh, which will keep all that stuff out. So stay tuned and I will walk around and show you what's going on. As you can see, surrounding this house are a bunch of trees on all sides. So it's a house that really needed a good system up there to begin with, but the fact that they have a water containment system, which my understanding is that water containment system sits below the porch. So the homeowner at the time that I had come out here had not explored the system yet. He hadn't opened it up to look inside to see how big it is, but his belief was that it was several thousand gallons of water that get captured. So one of the things that we're doing here, as you can kind of see, is that we are extending the downspouts. So wherever possible, and this is kind of a general belief of ours, is we really don't like having water land on the roof and go wherever it wants. So you can see in the two middle sections right now, we've extended the upper downspout into the lower downspout, or in the upper downspout into the lower gutter. And we're going to do that in each of those locations. So you actually see the downspouts coming across the front of the house, but it allows us to take all that upper water from the roof and drop it right into that lower gutter. And then that lower gutter, I'll come up the hill here. The lower gutters feed into the water containment system that is here. So it's not very often that you would find a manhole cover on your front porch, but in this particular case, right below us is where the water gets captured. So you can see the downspout here. We've gone to a 4x3 downspout, and then we've got this Y system on here. And so the Y system has a lever that you can turn to the right or to the left, and that will divert the water. It'll either push the water into the tank, which goes right here under the porch, or it just drives it away from the tank. So depending if that tank is full or not full, kind of dictates whether you want to put water into the system or not. And those downspouts are located at various points around the house. So you can see these ones here are just, I actually don't know if they're going to the groundwater system or not, but I would guess based on the fact that they don't have a Y on them that they're probably just going to the regular drain, underground drain tile. But here on the back we have a kind of a similar situation. So we've got this bump out bay, and again you can see a Y system on here. And you can see the one that goes down here under the deck is just going out at the ground level somewhere, but that one is actually going underneath the house. And you can hear the water coming down there at the moment. It is now starting to rain. So this is actually a good test of what we've done so far, and we're mostly done at this point. So here's the same deal. Here you've got the system that goes literally through the house into that front porch area, and then you've got the other system that diverts it away from that. So they can kind of dictate when they want the containment system to capture the water and when they want to divert it elsewhere. So here you can see we went with a 6-inch cream colored gutter to match the trim, and then we've got the Master Shield micro mesh gutter protection system on top to keep all that sediment and everything out of the gutters. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button to receive notifications of future videos. If you have any questions and comments about this job or any other jobs that we've worked on, feel free to leave your comments below and we'll get back to you.